What is the real core of life? When we talk about life, we usually describe what it looks like. Cells, organs, organisms, but none of these answer the real question. What is life made of at its deepest level? If we strip biology down far enough, something surprising appears. Life does not begin with cells. It does not begin with DNA. It does not even begin with chemistry. Life begins with energy. Every living system on Earth exists in one fundamental state. It is far from equilibrium. In physics, equilibrium is death. No gradients, no flow, no work. At the most fundamental level, this movement is carried by electrons. Electrons flow between energy states, between molecules, across membranes, through chains of proteins and metals. Life is not defined by what matter is present. Life is defined by how energy moves through matter. In chemistry, reactions happen when electrons rearrange themselves. Bonds break. New bonds form. Energy is released or absorbed. This already sounds like life. So what is the difference? The difference is not the molecules. The molecules of life obey the same physical laws as any other chemistry. The difference is organization. In living systems, something extraordinary happens. Energy flow is maintained deliberately. In non-living chemistry, reactions happen until equilibrium is reached. Once energy gradients disappear, reactions stop. Not consciously, structurally. Life builds architectures that keep electrons moving. At the core of every cell lies a membrane. Not as a wall, but as an energy device. Across that membrane, life creates a difference in electrical charge, a voltage, a proton gradient. This gradient is not a side effect. It is the central currency of life. Electrons enter one side of the system with high energy. They exit on the other side with lower energy. The difference is captured and stored. This process is called chemiosmosis. It is the same in bacteria, plants, animals, and humans. ATP, the molecule that powers almost all biological work, is not magic. It is a mechanical consequence of controlled electron flow. From a physical perspective, life is a machine that slows down entropy locally by exporting it to the environment. This is not philosophy. This is thermodynamics. Now the real distinction becomes clear. Chemistry allows reactions. Biology controls reactions. Chemistry happens. Life regulates. Living systems do not let electrons flow freely. They guide them through layers of energy states, step by step, preventing loss as heat. This control requires structure. Proteins fold into precise shapes. Metals sit at exact atomic positions. Membranes maintain voltage. When this control fails, life fails. This is why biology and medicine are inseparable from physics. Cancer is not just uncontrolled cell growth. It is disrupted energy regulation. Neurodegeneration is not only protein aggregation, it is failure of mitochondrial electron transport. Aging itself is the gradual breakdown of energy control systems. At the deepest level, disease is not chaos. It is loss of precision. So where does life truly begin? Life begins when matter starts to do three things at once. First, it maintains energy gradients. Second, it channels electron flow through organized structures. Third, it uses that flow to preserve its own organization. That loop is life. Not DNA, not cells, not consciousness. Those come later. Life is physics that learned how to remember itself. Chemistry that learned how to resist equilibrium. Energy that learned how to stay in motion. Once this loop exists, biology is inevitable. Every cell in your body still runs on this ancient principle. Your mitochondria are not power plants by metaphor. They are literal electrochemical engines. You are not animated by something mystical. You are animated by electrons moving through carefully arranged matter against the natural pull toward disorder. That is the real core of life. Life is not what matter is. Life is what energy does when matter is organized enough to hold it.